My dad's friends who works for the CIA, and we're at his testing range. I can't tell you where it is because it's secret. But he's gonna let me shoot off some of the explosive incendiary rounds. Range is hot.
Yeah.
Can I do it again?
Yeah, as much as you want.
Ready?
Yep.
Good one.
Can I keep shooting?
Yeah. Oh yeah, man, you're nailing it.
Ready?
Range is hot. Good job.
That was amazing.
Where's the chair?
Those are good bullets. It's up in the tree. Those are some good bullets, huh?
Yes, sir.
And here's what's left of the chair.
A miracle can of rice.
Gone. There's like no more chair except for the pieces that are up in the tree. See, there's a cushion. You can even feel the cushion. Yeah, it's cushioning.
All right. Nathan, those are pretty good bullets, huh?
Thank you. Nice.
Not.
So, look at all these bullets, Daddy.
Hold on. There's what's left of the chair right there. And up there.
That
And
sounded cool. It's like.
there's where the chair started out.
Thanks for watching.